How to become a data analyst as a career shifter. Ako nga pala si Joseph, a licensed civil engineer turned data analyst, and it's been a year since mag-transition ako from engineering to tech industry. And gusto ko lang mag-share ng 3 major steps to become a data analyst coming from my own experience. Number 1 is get certificates. And mararecommend ko is yung i-prioritize nyo yung free certificates, scholarships na pwede nyo makuha. Ako, nakuha ko is Google Data Analytics Professional Certificate from Coursera. Nag-apply ako through Globe and luckily na kuha tayo as one of the scholars. I also would like you to follow Bayan Academy and Data Sense Analytics. Nagbibigay sila ng free certificates for those people na want mag-upskill and mag-transition into data analytics. I encourage you also to join communities like Data Analytics Philippines, Data Engineering Pilipinas, Power BI Pilipinas, and Tech Career Shifter Philippines. Doon makikita mo yung other career shifters like me. I also encourage you to watch data analyst content creators like Alex the Analyst, Luke Burrows, and Sundas Khalid. Actually, si Alex the Analyst, nag-offer siya ng pre-certificate, free internship program, I think, sa kanyang YouTube channel. So, if you join his program, matatakal niyo lahat ng fundamentals in data analytics. And also, nagkaroon ka pa ng free certificate from Alex. Number 2 is build a portfolio. So, some of those free certificates, nagre-require sila na mag-create ka ng capstone or data analytics project for you to get the certificate. So, yun, pwede mo na siya maggamit to showcase your skills as part of your portfolio. And I highly recommend this. If you want to become a data analyst, I encourage you to create 2 to 3 projects per tools na related sa data analytics. It could be Microsoft Excel, Power BI, Tableau, Google Sheets, Looker Studio, SQL, Python, and R. Mas maraming projects, mas maganda. Kasi mas magiging versatile ka at easy mo lang mananavigate yung tools kasi familiar ka na once na nandun ka na sa work environment nyo. And lastly, number 3, use your domain knowledge. Meaning, gamitin mo yung nalalaman mo in your current industry. Example ako sa engineering, gumawa ka ng project management dashboard related to construction but using dami data for data privacy. So if you are an HR, create a human resource dashboard to showcase your skills, then mag-apply ka as HR analyst. So if you are in accounting, create a financial dashboard. Then mag-apply ka as finance analyst. And nasabi ko kanina si Alex nga, 'di ba, is from healthcare background. Yon, if you are in healthcare, medical field, gawa ka ng sample healthcare dashboard, then apply as healthcare data analyst. Gamitin mo lang yung current data na meron ka right now in your own field. Gumawa ka ng analysis, then present mo yun sa mga ina-applyan mong data analyst position. So that's my 3 major steps to become a data analyst. And I hope nakapagbigay ako ng valuable insights for you to become a data analyst in the future. Peace.